Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you work with XML files, whether for WordPress, data migration, or technical projects, then today's video is going to save you a lot of time and effort. I'm going to show you a powerful Windows application called Softaken XML Converter that lets you convert XML files into multiple human-readable formats with just a few clicks. So let's get started. What is Softaken XML Converter? Softaken XML Converter is a feature-rich and user-friendly tool designed to convert XML data into formats like PDF, XLSX, DOC, CSV, HTML, JSON, TXT, and even SQL. It's perfect for developers, WordPress users, analysts, or anyone who needs readable and structured XML output. Key features of Softaken XML Converter. 1. Multiple format support. This tool supports 8 output formats, each optimized to give you clean and readable results. Whether you need a spreadsheet, a document, or a PDF, this tool has it covered. 2. Batch conversion. Need to convert multiple XML files at once? Just add a whole folder, and Softaken XML Converter processes everything in one go. Super useful for bulk data tasks. 3. WordPress XML support. It even has special parsing for WordPress exports. It automatically extracts posts, pages, categories, tags, authors, and comments, making migration or analysis very easy. 4. Smart data extraction. The tool intelligently maps and organizes XML data into clean tables. It handles nested elements and complex structures effortlessly. 5. Human-readable output. All exported formats come well-formatted, structured, and easy to understand. No messy layouts, just clean and readable data. Zexta fast and efficient. Thanks to multi-threaded processing, conversions happen quickly, and the interface stays responsive even during heavy tasks. How to use the tool, step by step. Step 1. Select XML file. Click Add Files to choose one or multiple XML files, or click Add Folder to import all XML files from a directory. You can remove selected files anytime using the Remove buttons. Step 2. Choose Output Format. Select your target format from the 8 available options: PDF, XLSX, DOC, CSV, HTML, JSON, TXT, or SQL. Just click the radio button next to your desired format. Step 3. Set output location. For single file conversion, choose a specific file path. For batch processing, select a folder where all converted files will be saved. Step 4. Convert. Click Convert now and let the tool work its magic. A progress bar will show you the real-time status as files are processed. Step 5. Finish. Once everything is done, click Finish. You can start a new conversion or exit the application. Conclusion. And that's it. Softaken XML Converter makes working with XML files incredibly easy, whether you're converting a single file or processing hundreds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.